Hello, I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith, Claremont, and today I have an absolutely stunning property to show you. 39 Bulimba Road in the leafy suburb of Nedlands, Western Australia. And this property, it is wow. It is renovated, it is ready. There's so many beautiful features to show you, and I think it's the best Western Australian living has to offer. A combination of a character California 1940s bungalow, but that's been fully renovated on a giant 923 square meter block. But no more of me talking, let's go have a walk through because it's so great to see. Now in the front you can already tell everything's brand new. This beautiful aggregate concrete, they've redone the front, they've put in beautiful Merbau decking. You've already got a generous front lawn, and look at this beautiful lush green lawn, beautiful maturing trees. This is just a stunning location. As we go up the deck and into the front of the house with your traditional 1940s features, there's all kinds of modern conveniences already from the front door. So if we come in through here, we're going to step just to the left into the traditional family lounge. And you'll notice immediately the high ceilings, the beautiful ornate ceiling work, this gorgeous fireplace. Initially the place where the family would come and congregate. And what I can't wait to show you is there's an even bigger second family lounge just next to us. But right off of the main lounge, you've got essentially your fifth bedroom. So it's a very generous sized space with high ceilings, light and bright, and east facing. Great for that fifth bedroom, or even if you wanted a home office. It's just a very generous space. And coming back through, I love the addition of this barn door that you've got that slides here. Gives you some separation and some privacy if you'd like, as you flow directly into the dining room. And in here, you'll notice we've got, if you look up, beautiful skylights, but also with those nice 1930s, 1940s ceiling features that are just so well known in Nedlands. And not only that, the whole home is climate controlled. In fact, today's quite a warm day, and I loved walking into the house, and they've got the air conditioning just cranking, and it feels just delicious. Now into the kitchen. This is a brand new, freshly renovated kitchen, and there's a lot to love about it, but one of the features that I find quite exciting is that you can be here and you're looking directly west, and you've got a great view over the brand new pool pavilion, which we'll go have a look at in just a moment. Very light and bright. It feels like just a generous sized space. High ceilings. I love the downlights in here as well. And very easy to flow between the living room, lounge, dining room, and then we'll go in just a moment into the other family lounge. But let's check out the bedrooms. Again, here we are from the entrance. There's all kinds of storage, original cabinetry, and into the master bedroom. Got some lovely little pets here. Hey, kitty. And built-in robes, high ceilings, and look at that gorgeous ceiling rose, just in fantastic condition. And the whole property's been rewired. Everything's been upgraded for modern convenience. There's literally not a thing you have to do at this property. So into the third bedroom, again with high ceilings, built-in robes, ceiling fan as well, new downlights, fresh paint. Notice the gorgeous wood flooring as well. That's one thing I just love about Nedlands and the pre-war homes. Oh, and then a freshly renovated brand new bathroom with a glass frameless shower and a generous, very deep tub with a movable spigot for convenience. Just feels like a luxurious boutique hotel, in fact. Your fourth bedroom, lovely carpet, and then the fifth bedroom, Again, another generous sized room. You've got built-in robes and then quite a bit of light because here you've got 2 big windows, 1 floor to ceiling, and it is west facing, so you're getting a lot of natural light into this bedroom. So I hope you have a lot of kids because there's a lot of rooms. And now into this incredibly generous second living space. I mean, you can just tell by the size of that television, and that you've got a west side and even a south side that have with picture windows. So always bathed with lots of natural light, but you still have a lot of privacy as well because of the natural tree lines. And just off of this lounge room, we'll be able to step into the brand new laundry and second bathroom, also with a new glass frameless shower. And now the part that I'm really excited to show you. This is just perfect West Australian outdoor summer living. So we'll come out onto the brand new deck. West facing, this is north. You see lots of mature trees, but look at the elevation is fantastic. You've got tons of beautiful green grass. Just imagine kids running and jumping and playing. You can get even a trampoline on there, all kind, funky monkey bars. Just so much play can happen out here. And when you come down, also the garden is reticked as well. You've got, again, the new aggregate concrete with this gorgeous pool pavilion. I mean, it's just so big. It's not a pool house, it's a pavilion. It's a wonderful living space with a salt chlorinated pool. You've got a hot tub as well, glass frameless pool fence barrier. Now they've put in a removable dry sauna, and then also this portable, you can actually remove it, barbecue area, but it's just very, very spacious. Imagine Christmas lunch out here. Could you even imagine the kids playing and jumping in the pool? Music's going on. Everybody's having a great time celebrating the holidays. What an absolutely gorgeous space to be in. I can only imagine it'll be very hard to leave. So I want to give you a sense of the size of the block as well. So we'll go around to this side first and then to the north side, but very wide, generous space. Here's your drying rack. That's the kitchen. It's really massive gas hot water system. So here, new fencing as well, boundary fencing, color bond, but also here, obviously this is where your services all that, but that's going to give you access around to the front. But wait, not only that, we're going to go to the south side as well. And 923 as a block feels just so comfortable. It's not too big, definitely not too small. You've got room to move, room to grow, but also there's enough space on this block that, of course, with council approval, you could do a really generous granny flat as well. That's something that our clients are very interested in these days. And how can they also, foster intergenerational living, whether it's mom and dad living on site with you, or you've got kids who are at university or just starting work at the hospital or downtown, and you want to keep everybody together. I think it's a fantastic way to really foster family and community, all within an asset like 39 Bulimba Road. And here, this is really exciting because notice the generous width of this. This gives you access for, if you did want to build, you can obviously access quite easily, or if you wanted to have a camper, a boat, both, you just have that extra space to be able to access all the way around to the back. And again, fully secured all the way around. So if you've got dogs and not cats, if you want to leave them outside all day, you can do that as well. We'll come through here. Again, even more space for those extra cars. I mean, you could pretty easily get 6 cars onto this lot if you needed. If you need more than 6 cars, I'll have to find you a house with a really big garage, but I've got one in mind. And this beautiful carport as well. So here we are, back up to the front. Now the location just cannot be beat because you are quite far from Stirling Highway. You're very close up here, obviously, to Princess Road. You're zoned R12.5, so you're not anywhere near a development zone. You're a 3-minute drive to the Claremont Yacht Club. You can just walk down to the river. College Park. You're adjacent to Claremont and Dalkeith, so this is one of the crown jewel areas, I would say, of Nedlands. So thank you so much for walking through and having a look at this gorgeous property. If you have any questions or if you'd like to make an offer, please call me. I'm at 0416-657-300. I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith, Claremont, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.